So the first thing I usually do is I undo this spot right here. It's the nut and bolt that holds your lever onto your handle, and you can twist it that way. So I pulled that out. All your Allen wrenches are going to be a little bit different sizes. It kind of depends on how big a bike you have. And the next thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take and you're going to have to get your brake cable off from this lever. So you see this one kind of sits in there at an angle. The one I tried earlier sits in there, so you'd pull the cable down through here and then into here. And this new one is going to be the same as the one I have. You can see there's a little slot in there, so you'll run the cable down through there and then hook it into there at an angle, and I'll get to that here in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this until it comes out, and this one's kind of loose. The other one is a little bit tougher, and then you can pull on this cable and you can slide it out through the slot to relieve some of the pressure. So pull it out and you can bring it through this slot. That way when you pull on the brake level that it pops it out. You can see how this one's in there. So what I'm gonna have to do is twist this until it comes out. Since I've only got, it's gonna take 2 hands. You can see it in there swiveling a little bit though, this piece in there. You see it kind of moving in there a little bit. So you gotta get that piece out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I got the brake line unattached. And since I don't care about this one, I'm just gonna put a screwdriver in here and pry this apart. If you want to keep it, you can do the same thing, but you gotta be more careful, especially if it's an older bike, that you don't break it. Because when I'm doing this, you can see it's gonna stretch a little bit. I'm gonna stretch it so it goes around my handlebar. The other one I took off broke, but like I said, I didn't care, I was replacing them. And so when you do that, just make sure to be careful. So like I said, you're gonna stretch this out a little bit. You can see it's in there. When I pry on it, it kind of opens up a little bit. So I'm gonna take that off. With this one, I had to take the plastic part off the rubber part, and then it just slips on. And then you're gonna attach your brake cable the exact same way you took it off. So this one, you're gonna run it through here, down here, and then connect it to right there, and then tighten everything up, and that's how you put your brake cable on.